Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in. Today's video, I will show you how to make brown rice swallow, and I will show you two easy ways to prepare it. I am Rosie. Welcome to my kitchen. Here I have a bag of brown rice which I'm going to be using. Brown rice is a healthy alternative to white rice. If you are trying to stay healthy and you still want to eat rice, this is the rice you want to eat. I will start by making the rice flour, and I'm using a dry grinder. If you are watching me from Africa, you can take it to a commercial grinder and they will blend it for you as well. I'm going to blend until it is nice and smooth. Once the rice flour is blended, I will transfer it to a bowl and repeat the process until I am done. Next, spread the rice flour out and allow it to cool down completely before stirring it. If you stir it while it is still hot, it's going to get moldy. Once it's nice and cold, transfer to a storage container, and this rice flour can last up to a year. Next, I'll cover and keep it in the pantry. So to make the rice fufu, add some water in the pot. Cover and bring it to a boil. Next, add some rice flour in a container. And add some water. Mix it very well until all the powder is dissolved. Once the water comes to a boil, I'll take out some of the boiled water and save that for later use. Next, add the minced rice flour. Stir it very well to avoid lump. Once it's nice and stirred, cover and leave it for about 3 to 5 minutes. And it's been 5 minutes. I will add some rice flour. Stir it very well until it comes together. If you like it very soft, you can add more water. Then if you like it hard, make it hard. However, rice swallow does not harden up when it cools down. So make it the consistency you like. Once it's nice and smooth, take out the spatula. Add some of the hot water we took out earlier on. And I will use a spatula to break it so the rice fufu can cook very fast. Cover and leave it to cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. So it's been 10 minutes. Stir it very well until it is nice and smooth. In the northern part of Nigeria, we call rice swallow tuwo shinkafa. And tuwo shinkafa is normally prepared with white rice that can be very sticky when it's cooked. And alternative to that rice which is used in preparing it, if you're watching me in diaspora, is jasmine rice. So if you want to eat white tuwo shinkafa, you can use jasmine rice. So once that is nice and done, I will take out the spatula. At this point, this rice fufu is ready. I will put it in a warm place until we're ready to serve. The second method, add brown rice in a bowl. Add enough water to cover it. And I'm going to be leaving it to soak for at least 4 hours. If you're going to be having it for lunch, you can soak it after breakfast. You can also leave it to soak overnight. It's been 4 hours and the rice is softened now. I will transfer it to the sink and then rinse the rice. Next, transfer the brown rice in a blender. Add some water to blend. Blend it until it is nice and smooth. And any blender can do this as well. Once that is done, transfer the blended rice in an empty pot. And use a spatula to stir, so keep stirring it, and I'm cooking on medium heat. So this is what the consistency looks like. Keep stirring it until it comes together. So after some time, when it starts to cook, then you'll be seeing lumps, so keep stirring it until it forms. Then take out the spatula. Add some water. And I'll break it so it can cook very fast. I'll cover and leave it to cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. So it's been 10 minutes. And stir it very well until it comes together. So if you like it very soft, you can add more water. If you like it hard, make it hard. This one is a softer one because I'm making this one for my kids. So once it's nice and done, take out the spatula and turn off the stove. I will be wrapping the tuwo shinkafa with plastic food wrap, and this plastic food wrap is BPA free. Feel free to use anything of your choice to wrap your food. I'll repeat this process until all the rice ball is nicely wrapped. And you can enjoy rice swallow with any soup of your choice. It goes down very easily with any type of soup. Very, very delicious as well. Tuwo shinkafa rice ball is ready. If you enjoyed this video, please like the video, share the video, and follow my page. Thank you all so much for watching. Remain blessed. I will see you in my next video. Bye.